This is called specific notes for teachers who teach Hispanohablantes, students who speak Spanish. My name is Dr. Pan. Gracias a mi maestro Marcos Eugenio Rivera Otero. The first thing you need to know is your student's name. The primo nombre, segundo nombre, apellido paterno, apellido materno is specific. So for example, my Spanish name is Amy Lee Gillen Waller, but the American name with my married name has Pan on it. And some middle names take the Catholic calendar. This is muy importante. Pronunciation of names. The first thing you need to do is ask, ¿Cómo se pronuncia tu nombre for your students? If you're speaking to their parents, ¿Cómo se pronuncia su nombre? Okay. ¿Cómo se pronuncia tu apellido, your last name? Or for your parents, ¿Cómo se pronuncia su apellido? Very important when you're pronouncing names for the H, the silent H. Hernandez, Herrera, Hector, not H. For the Y, also is also a Z sound. So Jahir, Jareli, Johanna. And it's always good to just ask your students, okay? Christian instead of Ch, Christian is pronounced with a T. And pronunciation of countries, Guatemala, not Honduras, but Honduras, El Salvador, and we know Mexico, okay? Even if you don't speak any Espanol, just 2 or 3 sentences would be okay. Hola, buenos días, or buenas tardes. Mi nombre es la maestra, señora, señor. Okay, su niño or su niña está en, and put your school's name, está en whichever grade, grado. A couple of simple questions to ask the padres of your Spanish speakers, okay? ¿Quién es su niño? Or ¿quién es su niña? Or hijo or hija, okay? Who is your daughter or son? ¿Quiénes son sus hijos? If they're 2 at the same school, or you know they have a brother or sister. ¿Cuál es su? You're using su because you're speaking to the parents, not tú. ¿Cuál es su nombre? What is your name? ¿Cuál es su apellido? What is your last name? ¿Cuál es su número de teléfono? What is your phone number? ¿Cuál es su correo electrónico? Your email address. ¿Cuál es su dirección? What is your address, their place they're living? ¿Cuál es su fecha de nacimiento? Where were they born? ¿Cuál es su país de origen? Which country is their origin? And as you know, some people were born in the US and moved back to their parents' country, some students. So that's important to put that difference there. ¿Necesita un traductor or necesita un interpreter? Do you need an Espanol translator? ¿Cómo puedo ayudarle? What else can I help you with? These are very difficult for Spanish speakers because there's only one verb, hacer, to do and to make. So for example, to make homework or to do homework, to make exercise or to do exercise. And phonetics, okay. Sheep, ship, ship, cheap, cheat, sheet, beach. And some of the long and short vowels are also very challenging. And the S's, so for example, spaghetti, but it's very, very common to hear spaghetti, S. So you have to teach the difference between S and S. Pilot versus pilot, the hard I's, the long I's. Cookie versus cookie. And prepositions are also difficult for Spanish speakers because in the Espanol language, they only use en for all prepositions, for in, on, at. So at the school, in the school, on the table, these are all very difficult. So just think about those difficulties. And lastly, any false cognates, for example, comprehensive versus comprehensivo are actually is not a cognate because comprensivo is understanding. The police officer was understanding with me, not the police officer was comprehensive with me. Just some examples to hopefully help you as a teacher with your Spanish speaking students. Good luck. And as always, ask how you pronounce their name. Speak a little bit of Espanol with your parents, and that is very valuable as a teacher. Bye-bye.